That was the footage of the fire that engulfed a building in Braybrook Place in Colombo too. The fire was doused following an operation that lasted 2 hours.
A fire erupted at a building under construction in Braybrook Place in Colombo too. As the fire erupted during office hours, steps were taken to evacuate the occupants of surrounding buildings. Within minutes, the fire spread to an adjacent 8-storied building. The fire brigade of the Colombo Municipal Council was prompt to act and first took steps to prevent the blaze from spreading. However, the fire did spread to an adjacent building and additional equipment and personnel were called in to control the fire. Over 50 firefighters and 8 fire trucks were deployed for the operation. The Air Force also assisted to douse the fire in an operation that lasted nearly 2 hours.
As we came here, the first question we asked was how many people are in this building. We didn't get any of those information properly. Because of that, we had to search all the floors. We had to spend some time for that. We expect these multi-storied buildings to have some form of preparation for a situation like this. If that was done properly, we could have carried out these operations smoothly.
An Indian national who was injured in the fire was admitted to the national hospital. A hospital spokesperson said the man was a laborer at the construction site and that he is in stable condition. The cause of the fire has not been identified as of yet. However, it is suspected that an electric leakage at the construction site would have been the cause for the fire. An adjacent building was severely damaged in the fire.